Today we're making thin sliced ribeye with a creamy peppercorn pan sauce. Let's get some oil in our pan. Now we're going to remove these and let them rest. We added some butter, some garlic, and our peppercorn. Now we're going to deglaze about a half a cup of red wine. We let that reduce by half. Now we're going to go in with our beef broth. Our Dijon mustard. Some of this. And our cream. Now let's go back in with our steak. Okay, let's plate this up.